This week I am testing the brand new Haval H6 with my family, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is the rear seats of the H6 are really nice and wide, and I could easily fit 3 infant-secure child seats across the back here. I've got the Aspire More, the Attain More and the Achieve More. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 is there are aircon vents in the back of the central console, which are fantastic for families to keep the rear passengers nice and cool while driving along. Number 3 is the boot of the Haval H6. It opens electronically and it's really nice and big and will hold a twin pram in there with a good amount of shopping. I have loved driving the Haval H6 GT with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.